just have a pannier bag that I can't clip on the bottom here because the cargo basket is kind of stopping these clips from getting underneath there. And I really don't want to undo like 20, I don't know, 15 zip ties just to put a bag on that's probably going to catch a bunch of wind resistance and pull the bike this way anyways. So, but I've got this. This is still, I'm just going to pack this up and then put it in the probably a backpack or something when I get back. So just using this for whatever, sake of transportation and whatnot. Clothes, doesn't really matter what as long as it's layers. So basically just thinking about insulation more than comfort or movement, anything, because it's 40 degrees right now. And going to get 30 degrees I think later. I didn't check the weather today yet, but I believe it's supposed to snow. So, this is like indoor clothing. This isn't like outdoor, keep you from getting frostbite and dying of hypothermia clothing. So, whatever, we'll see what we have. Sweatpants. No merino wool or anything special like that, whatever. Probably just take a couple of these just for later. I thought I didn't need paper plates or bowls, but they're actually kind of handy to have so that you don't end up looking like a bum with food all over yourself. So, two pieces of silverware because gotta love the environment. And then the holder for my multi-tool with all my Allen tools right here broke because I was using too much leverage for, paddles and stuff like that, so the plastic casing broke. So I just have to have a few of these tossing around. I don't really like carrying a bunch of stuff around. It's just kind of annoying. It's more than anything. It's just